Hi, if you're tuning in for the first time, I am Suad. Living far away from family is one of the hardest decisions we make, whether for work, education, or better future. Being away from our loved ones comes with a cost. The distance, the missed moments, the longing. But distance doesn't have to mean disconnection. Today, I want to share practical ways to keep your family bonds strong, no matter how many miles separate you. Many expats and immigrants struggle with maintaining close family relationships. Life moves forward, and before you know it, years have passed. We must be intentional about staying connected before it's too late. Let's talk about how to bridge the gap and keep our relationship alive, even when we are worlds apart. Ways to stay emotional connected with family. Use technology, but make it meaningful. Video calls aren't just for "how are you?" Chat, make them intentional and engaging. Virtual movie nights, online movie nights together, connect together. Cooking together over video call, share cultural recipes. Set a consistent call schedule. Weekly check-ins. Use family group chats for daily updates, photos, and voice notes. Write letters, cards, send physical gifts. A handwriting letter feels more personal than text. Mail thoughtful gifts that remind family of your bond. Print photos, create memory books to send back home. Making the most of visits home. Prioritize family time over everything else. When you visit home, be present, limit distractions, focus on quality moments. Don't wait for special occasions. Make ordinary moments meaningful. Capture and create memories. Take photos and videos, but also live in the moment. Record family stories and wisdom. Interview parents, grandparents, and document their life lessons. Visit meaningful places together. Reconnect with childhood spots, family homes, or places that hold special memories. Strengthen your bond by revisiting the past together. Expressing love before it's too late. Why people regret not staying connected. Many people realize too late that they didn't express enough love. Life is unpredictable. Don't wait for a funeral to reunite with family. Ways to show love from afar. Say I love you more often. Don't assume they know. Apologize and amend broken relationships. Don't let pride keep you apart. Express gratitude for everything they have done for you. If you're watching this, take a moment to send a message, make a call, or write a letter. Stay connected before it's too late. Because at the end of the day, love isn't about proximity. It is about presence in each other's lives. What's the best way you stay connected with your family? Like, share, and subscribe for more insight on family, life abroad, and meaningful connections.